Hello, ladies. This is Casey out there in cyberspace. Anyway, I wanted to give you a little bit of update on what's going on. It's clearly a time that none of us have experienced, even me at my advanced age. I've never seen anything like this. Um, so it's at the very least disrupting. Could be much worse. We need to follow the guidelines that are being put out there to keep this at low level as possible. So in that regard, the whole university has gone to an online format. We very fortunate in gerontology in that we do a lot of online work and hybrid work. Actually, we have no, as far as I know, I don't think we have any face-to-face classes that we teach. So the transition for us has been reasonably easy. So I wanted to just go through what's happening with our class. I did send out an email earlier. Some of you are missing a couple of assignments and you need to find me and get that cleared up. We'll figure out something, some plan B, some amnesty plan. So the class basically is going to stay the same with a couple changes, and so I'm going to go into the discussion board, and I think the last thing I graded was the multi-factor. Let's see, path goal. Here we go. So this one is no, this is coming up. So somebody, Living has already posted in there. It's due on the 22nd, so we got a few days for this one to go. So that's going to stay exactly the same, as is the servant leadership and adaptive. All of these will stay exactly the same going through the rest of the semesters. For the discussion board, there's no change to that. The Dropbox, let me see if there's anything in here that is coming up. So we have a couple things. So we're through case study. So we have the strategic planning. There's a compilation that I'm going to ask you to do. Ethical leadership project paper, which was also going to be not only your paper in the Dropbox, but also a presentation class. That's not going to happen. I've removed it as a grade item, so you won't have to prepare an in-class presentation because we're not going to be in class. And then the 3-2-1 evaluation basically refers to, the 3 refers to the 3 big takeaways you got from this class. 2 refers to 2 things that you may have been exposed to that you really want to know more about, and 1, maybe there's something in there that you don't find particularly relevant in your life or generally for the course, and you know, feel free to express everything, because we kind of really use your comments to tailor the course for the next group of folks coming along. That'll be a year from now. And this thing test is, I'll get rid of it. I just was showing another instructor on how to add an item into Dropbox. So that's kind of what's going on. If you have any questions, I'm going to communicate with you as much as I possibly can. But if you have any questions, you know how to find me, and I want you to, you know, stay safe out there. It's just uncertain times, and all of you, in one way or another, are related to the healthcare system, so you're probably more aware than most of my other students are. So, and I miss you guys, because the last class with all the drama was just unbelievable, and I had some ideas, and I just not going to be able to get to it with you guys. I'll have to do it on one-on-one basis when we can actually be in the same room and not be 27 feet apart. So be safe, and let me know if anything comes up. Take care.